Hello guys, welcome to my another brand new video. In this video, talking about the pitfalls on not getting family travel insurance, written by Patrick Chong. Here is something for you to consider. What would you if you hadn't bought family travel insurance and one of your children fall ill about? How about this? What would go? What would you do if your luggage was lost en route to your destination and you haven't take out a policy? As you can see, there are some very important reasons why millions of policies are sold every single year. Peace of mind isn't something you can easily put a price on, but spending a few pounds on the most appropriate policy for our needs is vital. If you are serious about having a break free from worry, but it won't happen to me. Every year there are people who believe they won't be involved in an accident or fail. They are away. Every year people assume they won't be affected by lost luggage or stolen valuables, perhaps including their passports. But every year many thousands of people are wrong. While the odds are indeed long that you would be unlucky or involved in one of those situations, it does happen. If those people have the right family travel insurance to cover themselves and every member of their group in the event of problems, at least they know they can make a call and put in a claim. Costs can spiral. What's to cause you to wish you had course family travel insurance? The costs can soon get starting up when dealing with whatever problem you find yourself with. Lost luggage may not be the end of the world, but it does not. It does mean you have to fork out the replace and all the things that you cost the package to go away. The costs to go up a lot further if an accident or illness is involved. If you are in a foreign country where people have to pay for medical treatment, you will be expected to pay too. In countries like America, the costs can be massive. No policy can hugely expensive problems to solve at a time when you really don't need to extra stress. As you can see, it really doesn't make any sense to have the proper family travel insurance policy in place before you leave home. That should cover everyone on the trip, so if you get the right on your entire group will have peace of mind. It also means you don't have to book a separate policy for each individual. Thanks for staying with us. Stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye. See you in next video, guys.